In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from one Hostinger account to another. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. Head over to the Hostinger website and use your credentials to access the account that currently holds the domain you wish to transfer. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the hPanel dashboard, which is the main hub for managing all your Hostinger services and domains. When you're in your dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the Domains section. You can find this option prominently displayed on the menu. By clicking on it, you will be directed to a list of all the domains associated with your account. This is where you'll be managing your transfers and settings. Now that you're on the Domains page, look for the specific domain you wish to transfer. Next to it, you should see a button labeled Manage. Click on this button to open the management settings for your domain. This is where you will have options to adjust various domain settings, including initiating a domain transfer. After clicking Manage, you will see several options for managing your domain. What you want to do next is focus on the domain ownership settings. You should notice an option named Domain Ownership. Click on this option. It's important because this is where you'll actually execute the domain transfer to another Hostinger account. Once you're in the domain ownership settings, look for an option labeled Move. Clicking on Move is the crucial step that begins the transfer process. It's important to make sure you have the account email of the person to whom you're transferring the domain. You'll need this to complete the next steps. After clicking Move, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's email address, which is associated with their Hostinger account. Type in the correct email address carefully and double check it to prevent any errors. After you've entered the recipient's email, you'll likely need to confirm the transfer. This might involve verifying via email or following additional on-screen prompts from Hostinger. And that's it! You have now initiated the transfer of your domain to another Hostinger account. Be sure to communicate with the recipient so they can complete any necessary actions on their end to accept the domain transfer and ensure a smooth process. Moving a domain doesn't just transfer the name, it gives the new account full control over management settings and renewals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you understand how to transfer your domain within Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time,